This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating a VM on Proxmox with nested virtualization enabled so Docker runs inside. You will allocate 2 vCPU, 4 GB RAM, and a 32 GB disk. This keeps containers responsive. Once the VM boots, install Debian or Ubuntu and run apt update and upgrade to ensure packages are current. Make sure SSH is working so you can copy commands. You do this now because a clean, updated VM reduces surprises when installing Docker and when exposing ports to Proxmox. Next, add Docker's official repository, import the GPG key, and install Docker C so you get stable releases. Add your user to the Docker group so you can run Docker commands without sudo, then enable and start the Docker service with systemd to ensure containers restart after reboots. For data, attach a dedicated LVM or ZFS dataset from Proxmox, or define bind mounts to a mounted disk. This preserves container data separately from VM images and simplifies backups and snapshots. Finally, deploy your stack with Docker Compose for multi-service setups, or use Docker Run for single containers. Map container ports to the VM bridge so services are reachable. Once stable, take a Proxmox snapshot of the VM to capture the config and data pointers. This lets you roll back if an update breaks things. If something goes wrong, first verify the Proxmox bridge, VM firewall rules, and container port mappings. These are the most common network culprits, and fixing them usually restores access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.